Okay, so in these graphs, we're trying to transform the given function into the new function by these equations up here. Now, the big thing to remember is if you have something changing on the inside like this one, that's going to be a horizontal move left or right, and it's always the opposite of the sign. So this is actually going to be a shift to the left of 2. So essentially, we're going to take all the x values and we're going to subtract 2 from them because that's going to move everything to the left. X is left, right, and y is up, down. So since this is for graph 1 as part A, when I'm graphing it, when I'm trying to put my dots, I really just want to move this 1 point, which is -1, -2. I want to move it 2 spaces to the left. So now it is -3 and -2. And then you could just kind of connect the dot, kind of use the Alex tool to draw your graph. So really you're just making sure you can place that point correctly. Now for the second one, this one is on the outside. It's not in the function, it's on the outside of the function. So that's going to be a vertical shift. And since it's positive, this is going to be a shift up by 4. So if you're changing the up down, that's going to be changing the y. So I'm going to take the y and I'm going to add 4 to it. So the only point I have right now is 0, 0. So if I move that up 4, that is now 0, 4. And then it kind of goes like that, just follows the same pattern. So I'm not entirely sure how the Alex buttons work, but essentially once you move that 1 point, it should be able to, you should be able to just fill in the rest of the graph.